Hello guys and welcome to Simplifying Electronics. Before starting with advanced programming lessons, we will have to learn about different tokens used in C programming language, which we will learn in today's tutorial. But make sure you have watched the tutorial about the architecture of C programming language. Link to the video is in the I button, in the description and in the pinned comments. So let us start. There are total 6 tokens used in C language. The list is as follows. The first token is keywords. Keywords are the words that are already known to the compiler, so their function is predefined and reserved by the compiler. Users or programmers cannot use these keywords for some other objective. For example, printf is a keyword used in C language and its function is to display a specific string. So it has a defined set of functions associated with itself. Because of this property, programmers cannot use printf command for some other function or objective. This printf command will carry the same defined function throughout the code. The second keyword is identifier. Identifiers are opposite of keywords. They do not have a prefixed or defined meaning attached to them. Hence a programmer is free to use keywords. Let us take an example of a variable named a. This is not predefined in C language and programmers are free to assign any value to it. This value assigned to the variable a can also change throughout the code. Since identifiers are not predefined, the programmer must define them before using it. The third token is strings. In C programming language, a string is a sequence of characters which is terminated with a null character. In simple terms, we can say that a string is nothing but a collection of characters, but it is placed in a double quotation. When the compiler encounters a sequence of characters enclosed in a double quotation, it appends the string with a null character at the end by default. This null character signifies the end of the string. The fourth token is constants. As the name suggests, constants refers to fixed values that the programmer will not alter during its execution. These fixed values or constants are called as literals. Constants can be of any of the basic types like an integer constant, a floating constant, and a character constant. The fifth token is operator. An operator is nothing but a symbol that tells the compiler to perform a specific mathematical or logical function. These functions can be performed on keywords, identifiers, strings, or constants. C language is rich in built-in operators. We have the following inbuilt operators at our disposal. The sixth and the last token is a separator. A separator in C programming language is used to separate program elements from one another. It helps in organizing the code for the programmer and for the compiler as well. Comma separator, semicolon separator, and bracket separator are the most common types of separators used in C programming language, and their usage can be seen as follows. Comma separators separate program elements in one line of code, whereas semicolon separators separates two different lines of codes. Bracket separators are generally used to separate mathematical or logical operators. In the next tutorial, we will start the 101 of programming with functions and its usage. Today's tutorial will form a base for the functions tutorial and the advanced programming lessons that we will go through in the future. Thanks for watching. Drop a like if you found this video helpful. Leave a comment if you have any query regarding the topic. And don't forget to subscribe and share this video with others.